This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials: a finished app build, a Google account, and a verified payments profile. This saves delays. Once signed into AdMob, add your app and copy the app ID and ad unit ID. These are required in code. Next, integrate the AdMob SDK using the package manager for your platform and initialize the SDK at app launch. Do this now so you can test ads immediately. This early wiring is how revenue tracking and ad serving begin to flow. Once the SDK is active, decide ad formats that fit the user journey: rewarded for engagement, interstitial at natural breaks, banners for persistent revenue. Implement test ad units first. You must use test ads to avoid policy strikes. Then replace with live ad unit ID and tune refresh rates and placement to avoid accidental clicks. For higher revenue, enable mediation and eCPM targeting. This lets multiple networks compete, improving fill rate and CPMs. Monitor analytics to correlate placement with retention and revenue. After launch, enable your production ad units and confirm impressions appear in AdMob. This verifies proper integration. Use AdMob reports alongside Firebase events to measure revenue per user and run a /B tests on placements and reward values. Once you see trends, increase bids, adjust frequency caps, and iterate. If revenue is low or ads don't show, first check that test mode is off, mediation adapters are installed, and your account passed verification. Fixing those common issues usually restores ad serving fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.